So the deal is Pacgold is demerging its North Queensland assets, its Alice River Gold Project and its St George Gold Antimony asset into a private company called Manda Resources. Manda Resources is an Emerald Resources-backed private entity, which will be also bringing in an asset called Trigora and Northcote. Together, the amalgamated block of projects will have about 1.3 million ounces on the books, and Emerald Resources will back this all the way to IPO later in the year. I think it was the decision to go with Manda was really because of the backing of the team behind it, and the team behind it is Emerald Resources. You have the company will be co-chaired or chaired by Morgan Hart, who's the MD of Emerald Resources. They've had an amazing success over the last few years with projects overseas in Cambodia, et cetera, et cetera. It's a $5 billion market cap. It means we're going to be financially backed all the way through to hopefully production with the North Queensland assets. And it brings in a really stable, solid set of shareholders, someone who has got the firepower then to take this group of assets to the next level. PGO shareholders will acquire roughly at IPO around 30% of Manda Resources. We will be getting an in specie distribution of shares from Pacgold to every Pacgold shareholder. There will be $30 million raised pre-IPO to push these assets together forward as a group of assets, which is fantastic. We get a massive backing from Emerald Resources. We get Emerald Resources shareholders backing the asset going forward, and it gives additional firepower to a group of assets that need the backing to actually demonstrate what they have. The next steps for us are basically Manda will start drilling as soon as possible. They have people on the ground already looking at the assets, Alice River, St George and Trigora. There will be a pre-IPO raise for basically to facilitate investing money into the ground and getting drill rigs turning. We then go to an IPO in later fourth quarter of this year, and we move on from there. Pretty much, it's basically advancing the assets in one block.